وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةَ طَرَفَيِ النَّهَارِ وَزُلَفًا مِّنَ اللَّيْلِ إِنَّ الْحَسَنَاتِ يُذْهِبْنَ السَّيِّئَاتِ ذَلِكَ ذِكْرَى لِلذَّاكِرِينَ.
Surely, good deeds wipe out evil deeds. Message from this ayat. Whenever you commit a sin, say one thing to your heart. I must have experienced heavy losses in this battle by doing this sin, but the battle has not been lost. So don't despair, perform ablution, pray 2 rakats, and get ready to change yourself again. Stretch out your hands through which you have sinned and seek forgiveness from Almighty Allah. Recite the Holy Qur'an with those eyes with which you have committed the sin of looking at forbidden things. The cry of those who sin is equal to supplications of obedient slaves in front of Almighty Allah. That's why Allah, the Exalted, has called Himself Ghafoor, the Forgiving, because He wants His servants to return to Him for forgiveness frequently.